Let's talk about Chainlink. Chainlink is sitting at $13.34. I've covered this coin previously as well, but I think it's been quite some time. Let me see. When was the last time I talked about Chainlink? Meanwhile, while I search, can you let me know in the comments what do you think is going to be the all-time high price according to you of Chainlink in 2025? So last time we covered Chainlink was May 1st of May. So that's May, June. It's almost 2 months. At that time, it failed to break above $15, and now it is heading towards the mini support of $13, and it's still sitting at 13.34 for fuck's sake after 2 months. So that's the overall case scenario. Things have not changed. Chainlink is good project. If I just give you a bit of highlights about Chainlink, it's fundamentally a good project, which means that the development and everything is solid. People are using it. When I say people, I'm talking about businesses and developers and all those people who are supposed to use their products. They are doing it. It's not like ICP or Cardano that have amazing projects and no one is using it. It's not that kind of case scenario. But it has its own challenges. One, it's a big ass project. It's $9 billion right now, and it still has 40% of the supply yet to get released, which is 40% more inflation on already very inflated coin. And not just that, there is no cap on it, which means the total supply is not limited. They can make more coins if they want to. So that's the sad part of it, and that is why the overall growth of Chainlink is going to take its sweet time. And when I say growth and sweet time, I'm talking about progress in Chainlink. It is going to be really slow. It's not going to be dramatic, and unfortunately, it is what it is. This is the era of sideways movement. This is your 2022 to 2023. Visually, a blind man can see it. This is a sideways movement. So this started at 1st of April 22nd, 2022. And this era of sideways disaster ended on 15th of September 2023. Now, for more than a year, this thing moved sideways after crashing from 2021's peak. It did this horrible sideways movement, and then again it created one peak, then dropped down, created another peak, dropped down, but of course this down is still higher than the other one. Now if we talk about it, at least if we look at it from this perspective, it is still creating higher highs. It is still going up, but the thing is, at what cost? At what cost? The cost is a slow moving snail progress. It is very slow. Long-term investment, I'll pick another coin over Link. I wouldn't touch it, to be very frank with you. But as a trader, why not? Why not? At trading, we can touch even the shittiest coins out there like Trump and Melania. We can go after those coins as well. We don't mind. Chainlink is in a falling channel. The good news is that on 4 hours, it has a falling channel just like Aptos. And the breakout is, of course, towards the area of our interest, which is at $15. I mean, it doesn't come as a shock. $15 was our area of interest on 1st of May. It is still our area of interest. So if it goes towards $15, not only it will break this downward channel, it will also go and conquer this area. So we need 2 candles of daily closing above $15 for Chainlink to get bullish. And when I'm saying bullish, I'm talking about going towards $20. So $5 move from 15. But if it doesn't do that, the only thing that you can expect is for Chainlink to drop towards $10. So while 70% of the probability of Chainlink are to go up towards 15, 30% and then break and continue, 30% are towards $10. So of course, based on the structure I'm seeing, I have to say it is going to go up from here. But like I said, there is a 30% probability, so you never know. Just because we are doing TA, so I have to rely on the falling channel, and I have to say Chainlink is going to go up. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.